Have you ever wondered where the most diverse marine life on our planet calls home? Welcome to the Coral Triangle, an aquatic wonderland that stretches across 6 nations in the heart of Southeast Asia. This aquatic marvel, ensconced between the tropical waters of Indonesia, the Philippines, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, and Timor-Leste, is a veritable treasure trove of marine life. The Coral Triangle is home to a staggering 3/4 of the world's coral species, and more than 2,000 species of reef fish. Among these teeming waters, you'll find the delicate pygmy seahorse, the smallest seahorse in the world, camouflaged within the corals. Then there's the mantis shrimp, a creature of vibrant colors, and a punch so powerful it can shatter glass. The Coral Triangle is a kaleidoscope of marine biodiversity, a place where life thrives in every crevice, nook, and cranny. With an explosion of colors, shapes, and sizes, the Coral Triangle is truly the crown jewel of our oceans. But why does the Coral Triangle matter so much, you may ask? Well, its significance stretches far beyond just being a home to an abundance of marine life. It also plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of our global ecosystem. Acting as a vital carbon sink, the Coral Triangle helps in regulating our climate by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. Moreover, it directly sustains human life. Millions of people rely on the Coral Triangle for their livelihoods, from fishermen to those working in tourism. It's a cornerstone of food security too, providing a rich source of fish and other seafood. Tourism in itself is another significant aspect. The stunning beauty of the Coral Triangle draws visitors from around the globe, boosting local economies. And let's not forget the potential for medical breakthroughs. The organisms that inhabit the Coral Triangle are a treasure trove for scientific discovery, offering hope for new treatments and cures. Clearly, the Coral Triangle is not just a marine biodiversity hotspot, but a lifeline for our planet and for us. So what challenges does this marine paradise face? Well, the Coral Triangle is threatened by a multitude of factors, each posing a significant risk to its delicate ecosystem. Foremost among these threats is climate change. As global temperatures rise, so do sea surface temperatures, leading to a phenomenon known as coral bleaching. This not only weakens the coral, but also disrupts the symbiotic relationships that sustain the diverse marine life in the triangle. Overfishing is another major concern. The Coral Triangle supports millions of people who depend on its resources for their livelihood. Unfortunately, unsustainable fishing practices are depleting fish stocks at an alarming rate, upsetting the ecological balance. Pollution, too, is a significant threat. Plastics and other pollutants are choking the life out of these vibrant ecosystems, causing irreversible damage. And let's not forget destructive fishing practices such as dynamite fishing, which obliterate coral reefs and devastate local fish populations. The Coral Triangle is under siege, and its future hangs in the balance. What can we do to protect the Coral Triangle? As we draw to a close, let's talk about the ongoing efforts to conserve this precious ecosystem. Organizations and governments worldwide are stepping up, establishing marine protected areas to provide a safe haven for the diverse life forms that call the Coral Triangle home. They're also promoting sustainable fishing practices, helping to maintain a balance in the aquatic world and ensuring the livelihood of local communities. But it's not just about protection, it's about understanding too. Research is being conducted to delve deeper into the mysteries of the Coral Triangle, to learn how best we can nurture and preserve it. And here's where you come in. By supporting these initiatives and adopting eco-friendly habits, we can all contribute to the conservation of the Coral Triangle. It could be as simple as reducing plastic consumption or choosing sustainably sourced seafood. The Coral Triangle is a treasure that we cannot afford to lose. Together, we can ensure its survival for generations to come.